Alright guys, today we have a 2013 Acura RDX and we're going to be replacing an air filter. You should be changing this air filter every like 10,000 miles. It will give you a better performance in the car, so you have a better airflow, better breathing. Alright, that will save you a little bit of gas. So pretty much this filter, if it costs you $20-$30 to replace, it will pay itself off, right? It's not like, you know, you're spending $30, you don't get nothing. You won't feel it that, okay, you saved. It's not like you're gonna feel the money, okay, I saved $20, but it's gonna give you better airflow, you know, throughout a couple of few fills of the tank. You will save that money. All right, very simple guys. This little guy, this is the air filter housing right here. So the filter is located in here. All you do is you open the tab. There's a clip just like this one right here on the opposite end, both sides, and in the back you just take it out. You don't even have to remove anything any further. You just lift it out, you grab that filter just like that, and you pull it out. Right guys, look at that filter. Not so bad, but the customer requested it, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put this filter in. This little tab goes on this side, so all you do is you take this filter, you throw it in there, and that's it guys. 5 minutes, that's all it's gonna take me. 5 minutes to do this job. You take this clip, push it in, same thing on the other side. Alright, so we're done. That's it guys. That's how you change your air filter on a 2013 Acura RDX.